This place. This past summer, I finally visited a theme park that's been on my list for quite some time. Enchanted Forest in Turner, Oregon, right near Salem. For years, I have driven past this park on I-5 and thought, one of these days. But I always had other plans. Well, this year, it was finally one of these days. I mean, it's an Enchanted Forest. You can only say no for so long. How was it? Well, it's complicated. But it's a theme park and there's a roller coaster, so I had to go. The first sign, literally, that this is not a normal theme park is that it comes with instructions. Okay, we'll go left. I have to wonder, were they going for Sleeping Beauty's castle? Were they going for Fantasyland? Because it kind of looks like they were going for Fantasyland. Yeah, I'd be frightened of that spider too. The original "Don't take candy from strangers" story. Alice looks, I don't know what. Lumpy? Lumpy? Everything here just feels slightly off, right down to Lumpy the dwarf. But it's off in the best possible way, like a fever dream you really enjoyed. I mean, frankly, it kind of fits the whole Oregon vibe. Of course a park like this is in Oregon, because Oregon's the kind of place where you can find an auto parts store, a microbrewery, and someone selling crystals to improve the good vibes of your coffee, all in the same strip mall. So why not an Enchanted Forest with Lumpy the Dwarf and the scariest spider ever? From fairy tales, we head straight into the Old West. Because why not? Complete with tombstones telling bad jokes, which is exactly what you'd expect from a theme park western town. Oh, and the pulled pork here was pretty good too. Well, in addition to cheesy tombstones, the other thing a western town in a theme park needs is a log flume. But in this topsy-turvy park, it's not just any old log flume. It might also be a roller coaster. That's right. RCDB.com, the roller coaster database, lists this as a roller coaster. Why, you ask? I'm glad you asked. There's one spot where you go down a drop and back up, and I think that's what officially makes it a credit. And you are doing that on rails, not in the water. It's rails on supports. Side friction rails, actually. So it's a side friction coaster, I suppose, officially. So, it's a roller coaster. But by my usual metric of does it feel like a roller coaster, it doesn't feel like a roller coaster. It feels like a log ride with a weird drop in it. Okay, so far we have the weirdest Fantasyland ever and a log flume that's a roller coaster but not a roller coaster. Anything else up this park's sleeve? How about an attraction that is unquestionably a roller coaster, but that still leaves you with plenty of questions? It feels like that meme. We have the Matterhorn at home. The Matterhorn at home. You sit in a little enclosed bubble car. Why a bubble? Why not? Actually, there are some clearances on this ride that would cause people harm if plexiglass wasn't in the way. So, 3-car trains, 6 people max in a plexiglass bubble. It would never work anywhere else. But here, it's perfect. It's perfect. That was certainly different. Really smooth, but janky. Let's call it charming chaos. It's an experience. The Ice Mountain Bobsled. Let's give it the standard review. 4 thrill. 1. We'll give it 1 firecracker. It's not much. A little bit. If anything is a thrill, it's the plexiglass canopy because of how tight the clearances are. But no real roller coaster thrills in the thing. Pain was fine. I'd seen enough about this that I was a little worried, but it's fine. 0 out of 5 ibuprofen. There are some janky transitions, yeah, but that just helps it feel like a homemade roller coaster. Fun. What about fun? I'm gonna give it 3. It's just so different. And I mean, I bought a t-shirt. That says something. But we'll give it 3 out of 5 icicles for fun. The fun is the novelty of it all. But I rewrite it? Not really, especially not for $5. But it is officially the weirdest credit I have now. And for that, I would say it's kind of fun. And then, as if that weren't enough, somehow, right across from janky homemade Matterhorn is a trackless shooting dark ride. this place. So far, we've had Sleeping Beauty Castle at home, a log flume that might be a coaster credit, the Matterhorn at home. Naturally, the next logical step, the Haunted Mansion at home. I mean, why not? Roll the clip.
I'm always ahead of everybody. It's handy for looking around corners.
Okay, even a haunted bride with a hatchet. And just like that, Pirates of the Caribbean. And just past the creepy knockoff Haunted Mansion? Why, Kittyland, of course. Claustrophobia, the ride. Casey Jr. at home. Okay, this can't get any weirder, right? The Gravity Factory? But it's closed? Grandpa versus Gravity cannot go to the Gravity Factory? Okay, maybe it can get weirder. I mean, the irony was almost too perfect. The one attraction that seemed made for this channel was closed. Even Gravity has a sense of humor. There we have it, Enchanted Forest. How would I describe it? It's family charm. Let's go with that. It's got family charm. That could be a code word for homemade, but it's also homemade. The Storybook Lane is charming. Charming. That's the word we'll go for. Charming. This place is charming. It is for the kid in you. Not in the way that Disneyland is, where everybody can have fun. This is more like a giant fantasy playset. There we go. It's a giant fantasy playset that grown-ups can play into. It doesn't have to be little figurines. You can be the figurine. And that's it from Enchanted Forest. Until the next time and the next park, gravity keeps trying to bring me down, but I'm not falling for it.